Hello po, brothers and sisters. Kamusta na po kayo? Ano po ba yung mga competitions na meron po tayo for this 13th MEC? Meron po tayong Spot the Grace, Reflection Writing, Banner, Scrap to Craft, at higit sa lahat ang MTV. One of the competition which is open sa lahat po ng SFC members. Ito po yung Spot the Grace, which you have to find some SFC activity or anything that you can consider as God's grace. And stick the Stronghold logo, yung sample na binigyan namin, and have a challenge to spot it. And followed by the reflection writing contest, which you can put into writing your personal reflection, revealing God's message. So, mga kapatids, paano tayo makakasali? Please check the posted na meron po tayo dito sa FB. And you only have until 20th of this month to send your entries.